Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload file in Google Colab. If you're working in Google Colab and need to bring a file into your notebook environment, this process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect along the way so you can upload your file with confidence. To begin, open Google Colab and make sure you are on the main notebook screen, labeled Welcome to Colab. This is the standard starting point where you can create or work inside a notebook. Once you're on this page, take a moment to look over the layout. The main workspace is in the center, and the navigation tools are along the side. Next, move to the left-hand navigation panel and click on the folder icon. This opens the file browser for your current Colab session. The file browser is useful because it lets you view the files that are currently available in the notebook's working environment. If this is your first time using it, just know that this section is where uploaded files will appear after the process is complete. After opening the file panel, click on the Upload option. This tells Colab that you want to add a file from your computer into the current session. Depending on your browser, this may open a file selection window right away. If it does, simply continue to the next step. Now browse for the sample file or whichever file you want to upload on your device. Select it, then click Upload or Add, depending on what your system displays. The wording can vary slightly, but the action is the same. Once you confirm, Colab will begin uploading the file into the notebook environment. After the upload finishes, you should see the file appear in the file list inside the folder panel. That's a good sign that the upload was successful and the file is now available for use in your Colab session. A helpful thing to remember is that uploaded files in Colab are typically tied to the current runtime. So if the session resets, you may need to upload the file again. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file in Google Colab. This is a simple but essential step when you want to work with data sets, images, documents, or other local files directly inside your notebook. Thanks for following along, and you're now ready to continue working with your file in Colab.